how to transition from hard gel to soft gel nails. So perhaps you or your clients are currently wearing hard gel on your nails and you're wondering how to make a relatively seamless transition from hard gel to soft gel nails. In today's video, we'll be going over how to make that seamless transition step by step. Greetings and welcome back. If you are new here, I am Paola of PaolaPonceNails.com and I am a certified Japanese gel nail stylist and instructor. Before we dive in, check out Vetro's latest color collection. They are nice and summery but perfect for turquoise nails or other types of natural stone nail art. This collection consists of 4 blue hues and 2 brown ones. Check out my links in the description box below to shop Vetro in the States or Canada. Alright, so as you may already know, hard gel cannot be soaked off the nails with acetone. It must be filed down thin and then grown out. Oftentimes, many lack the patience and cannot fight the urge to pick it off the nails, and so they do. But what if instead of getting into that trouble, you actually just transition to a more natural but sturdy nail enhancement like a soft gel? And more specifically, Japanese soft gel. This can be a great option, especially if you are trying to maintain the length of the natural nails. Now, if you don't already know, Japanese soft gel is strong and sturdy, yet natural in appearance and lightweight. It is a perfect nail system to use to transition out of hard gel nails and into soft gel. So here's the step by step. Essentially, you want to think of this process as a rebalance down to the natural nail. So we're going to remove as much product on these nails with the goal to work on the nails as if they were bare natural nails, except these will have a little hard gel left behind. This process consists of 7 main steps. Let's begin. Step 1, shorten the length. You'll want to shorten the length to a rough draft of your client's final desired length. The length at this very point does not have to be nearly exact. Again, this is just a rough draft. This will ensure that you don't spend unnecessary time filing down and also that you don't wear your drill bit unnecessarily. Depending on the nail set, you can shorten the nail length with clippers, a coarse file, or your e-file with a carbide bit at high speed. Step 2, thin down. Thinning down the product to just almost the natural nail will allow you to rebuild this enhancement with the reinforcement of the new soft gel product you will be using and not the leftover hard gel. You may use a gentle carbide like the smooth taper barrel from America's, but because you may potentially touch the natural nail, I would recommend switching to a ceramic bit the closer you get to the natural nail. The reason for this is because a ceramic bit will not shave the natural nail as much as a carbide bit would if it touched the nail. Step 3, cuticle work. Brush off all the dust and begin your cuticle work. You may already know that one of my all-time favorite cuticle bits is the Skyber bit from Erica's and the Nail Labo baby barrel, which I'll be using today. For thick cuticle and eponychium that will not push back easily, do not force it. I do recommend using a cuticle softener, and I find that this leaf gel one leaves no oily residue that will cause me any lifting. It makes the skin supple enough to push back very gentle. Step 4, buff and dehydrate. You'll want to take a 180 grit sponge buffer and blend the old hard gel material onto the natural nail. You can use this same sponge buffer to ever so gently remove the shine and cuticle off of the exposed natural nail growth. Remove all the dust and dehydrate the nail with an alcohol solution. At this point, you are working on the nails as if you were working on a set of prepped natural nails. Step 5, optional. Bonder. Now, if you were unsure of incompatibility between your hard gel and soft gel product, you could apply a bonder solution only over the leftover hard gel product. This step is super optional and unnecessary almost, but if it gives you peace of mind, please go for it. And remember to not apply over the exposed natural nail, as this will make your removal very hard. Japanese soft gel has excellent adhesion properties just on its own over the natural nail. This is why you won't need a bonder on the natural nail. So a Japanese gel nail system again does not require a dehydrator prep solution or bonder. All it requires is a little dehydration via 90% plus alcohol. Step 6. Base. When using Japanese gel, apply your base a little more generously than you would a traditional hard gel or soft gel system. You could self-level it nicely and move on to your color or nail art, or for longer nails, also apply a Japanese gel builder like Leaf Gel's Sculpting Gel or Vetro's Extension Clear. However, there is a very cool Japanese gel product you can use from Cocoas, and that is Platinum Bond Duo. It is both a base gel and a builder in one, and it feels like a thin but strong hard gel. So you could do this step with just this one product, Platinum Bond Duo, or again, simply a Japanese gel base overlaid with a builder. Either application will work. You will have success with either one, so don't get hung up if you don't have Platinum Bond Duo. But if you really want to give it a try, especially on those clients transitioning from hard gel to soft gel, check out the link in my description box below to buy. Step 7, do your thing. So now you have established a strong foundation. You've done a thorough prep and you've overlaid the nails with a strong application. You are ready to do your thing. Finish them with your color of choice or bedazzle them with your desired nail art. You've successfully transitioned the nails from hard gel to soft gel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Check out my free class in the description box below. And if you would like to meet other Japanese gel nail enthusiasts and solopreneurs in the nail industry, join us in our private community using the link also in the description box below. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, check out my previous videos. And of course, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications for new video releases. Have a merry start to the week and I'll see you in the next one.